Sorry, had to be done. Sorry, not sorry. So the Galaxy Watch Classic has arrived. Debated whether getting it, and then I just couldn't help myself. Obviously, if you follow me on Twitter, if you know me in real life, if you subscribe to my channel, then you know when it comes to tech, I have no willpower. So yeah, decided to get it, and decided to get it in white because, main reason, decided to get it in white, I am almost definitely going to keep my Watch Ultra, which is the grey one, but it looks black and it looks like the classic black. Why would I keep both? Well, this is rugged, longer lasting battery, so this is going to be my active watch, if you will. And then obviously with the classic design, this is going to be my more dressed up watch, like work watch. Anytime I'm looking smart. So smartwatch, smartwatch, casual, active lifestyle watch. That's me anyway. Why not? People have more than one watch. Why not more than one smartwatch? So without further ado, let's rip open this bad boy and have a look. So underrated, but pull tabs are the one. And remember when everything used to be wrapped in cellophane plastic and it was just awful. There's something in the lid we can't get out, so I can wait. You can go over there for now. There is the watch. This is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic in white, as I say. Looking all around. Let's get that turned on. Sorry, almost off camera there, do apologise. While that's loading up, let's have a look. So it's in the rest of the bottom of the box. And while I'm doing that, I just want to say thank you for watching. Do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of thing. Nothing there, that's just a solid bit of nothing. And please subscribe for more tech related videos. And if you want to support the channel, please do check out the links in the description for ways to support the channel at little or no cost to yourself. Then the watch strap is the hybrid. Feels nice, really nice. It's like a faux leather on the top and then a silicone on the back. That feels really nice. Looking forward to the white as well. I mean, bragging rights at the minute, because of my gorgeous olive skin, the white and silver, I think, looks good. In my opinion, let me know if you disagree in the comments. But yeah, I've always gone for like silver jewellery or white gold when I had money and I was a bit of a baller. These days, not so much. Parenthood's a bitch. What can I say? So let's put the watch straps on. So these should just connect nice and easy now. Everyone remember the OG days of Galaxy watches. Ooh, sorry, I had it on a bit of an angle there. And it was just a normal watch band, and it was so bad. It was awful. I just never changed the straps because it was pointless. It was just more difficult. It wasn't worth it. But then they came up with the like sliding pin, so I had a little bit of a trigger, but you had to have nails and thin fingers to do so. And now they have this with the buttons. Took them a long time to get here, but damn it, I am glad they did. And restart that in my native tongue and put the other part of the strap on there. So even though the connection is now the same as the Ultra, why is that not going in? It keeps spinning around on me. So the actual connector, easy enough to use, but it keeps spinning on the band, so I can't get my fingers in. Keep it still, push it in. I am making this look harder than it should be, and I'm also recording around my camera, so okay, right. It is easy to connect, but like I said, I made that look harder than it should be because of the spinning strap, because the strap spins round. Couldn't keep it in one place, but that's just me. It's definitely easier. Take it from experience. Just need to unlock my phone. There we go. Connect. Just while it was there as well, notice the 92% energy score. Oh yeah, sleeping like a boss. And then just confirm the numbers match. Bright light above me there. You can see that on there. And then check phone to complete setup. And then there we go, downloading software. Just while that's downloading, I'm assuming that the charger is in here. Yes, it feels like it is. So swipe that out, get your normal unnecessary amounts of, wow, that's a thick boy. Why is that so thick? What's on there? Quick start guide. That does not look like a quick start guide. That looks like a full-on guide. But we don't need that. In here somewhere is the charging cable. Haha. There we go. So nothing is going back in that box, let's be honest. But it doesn't need to. It's fine. So yeah, your usual charging thing. It doesn't reverse wireless charge off the phone now, which is annoying. Apparently it's because of sensors, but it doesn't quite make sense in my mind. But I don't design phones, so what would I know? I'm just an amateur. To me, if it wirelessly charges off this, sorry, it's not really wireless charger, but you know what I mean. If it charges off this, then why can't it charge in the back of your phone? Something to do with the sensors apparently, because they keep adding more and more sensors to it, and what it needs to charge off the back of the phone, they can't have. Meh. Let me know what you think of the white colour. Most of the videos I've seen, most of the people on X, it's Twitter, and it always will be Twitter to me, have shown the black version. But I really like the white, and like I say, it to me gives me something different. And no shade to the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is a decent watch and looks pretty good. So I'm not one of these fanboys that's like, oh, the Apple Watch sucks. It doesn't. It's really good. But one of the things I prefer is that you do have the choice of different styles. Obviously, you have your basic. Yeah, so obviously, with the Galaxy Watch, you have the basic one. So you got your Galaxy Watch 8 in this series, obviously. And then you've got your Galaxy Watch Classic. And then you've got your Galaxy Watch Pro. God, throw back to the 5. Then you've got your Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. So, obviously, they are all different price ranges, but the main point is you have different style options as well. I mean, like, you've got the white trim, the black trim. You've got the Ultra, which is more cushioned around the outside than this is. So this is like slightly, I know people keep calling it a squircle, but it really annoys me. Check out the previous video where I rant about that. It's not squircle, it's cushioned. And this one is more cushioned around the outside, and obviously has a bit more of a rugged feel to it as well. Got the titanium. With Apple, you have the Apple Watch, and then you've got the Apple Watch Ultra, which look very similar. So not really much in way of style, I don't think, in my opinion. Feel free to disagree. There we go. Should actually work now and connect now that I've disconnected my Watch Ultra. Once they are both connected, you can swap between the two of them nice and easy. Currently, I'm resisting the urge to put this on because I can't really show my wrist properly on the camera I'm using, which between me and you, this is the camera on the Tab S9 Ultra. So shh. But you know, I'm saving towards an actual camera to use. Between fatherhood and part-time job, which I have to work around childhood, it can prove difficult. So if you do want to support the channel, check out the links in the description. Much appreciated. In the UK as well, if you ordered this watch between, I will check the exact dates and leave them in the description, but I think it is between the 27th of July and early September, then you can claim a free watch strap and free wireless charger, like dual wireless charger, so you can charge your phone and your watch. Ideal for a bedside table or a desk or whatever. So I will leave that link to claim them in the description as well. Not sure if it's available in other countries. I can only speak for the UK. That's where I am. Okay, so I've just paused the recording there whilst I entered my Google stuff and had my Google information on the screen. But now we're fully into the setup, so it's just going through here with the track your stress on your vascular system, which you have to wear your watch for 3 consecutive nights or 3 nights in bed. So I've already done it on my Watch Ultra. You do have to calibrate each time you swap the watch, not the time you swap the phone. So I will just wear my Watch Ultra to bed because I am a fitness geek and I do like all that stats and information on my health and stuff. So I would keep wearing that for bed rather than start again. Now my baseline's already set. Understand your sleep for better sleep. As I say, I already do that. Measure my sleep because I'm a nerd. Running, take your run to the next level. Already done that. Check out the previous video for that. I will leave a link up here. Is it? To watch that video. And wallet, yes please. Do want all my banking stuff on there because I always leave my phone on charge on my desk and then get to the shop and go, oh bugger. Let me just set a PIN number away from your BD's lies. Always best to keep your PIN secret because it's my PIN for almost everything. Almost. So, card added. Suggested replies. So obviously uses AI to suggest replies. Get help in an emergency. And hard fall detection. Love that. Hard fall detection. Not just fall. Hard fall. And a very classy realistic watch face on there. I don't like all the cartoony ones. I do like real ones. I do like a few of the digital ones that shows some stuff as well. Shows a lot of information on there, but I don't like the kiddie type cartoon ones. I don't understand it. Obviously very expensive watches, £300, £400, £500 depending on the variant. Who really wants a little animated character? Like one of them looks like a tennis ball with a smiley face. What's all that about? Anyway, sleep apnea. Your watch can check for signs of obstructive sleep apnea. Cool. Why wouldn't you want these things on? Do you want it on? Of course I do. Do I want to know I might die? Yeah. As we won't do that right now. And there we go. All set up. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer, which design you prefer out of those two. Obviously ignore the watch face because the watch faces are changeable. Not going to enter in pin. But the actual watch itself, do you prefer the Boxier Ultra, which has got a larger screen and a non-rotating bezel, or the more sleek, sophisticated design of the Classic with the smaller screen and a rotating bezel? And I know not the majority of people won't watch to this point, but I really just want to say, as a public service announcement to people making videos, please stop saying the rotating bezel is back. It's not back. It hasn't gone anywhere. You're being silly, right? It happened last time with the Watch 6 Classic because we had the Watch 5 Pro, which didn't have a rotating bezel, and then we had the Watch 6 Classic, which did, and then we had the Watch Ultra, and people were like, no, there's still no rotating bezel. But now we have the Watch 8 Classic, and there is a rotating bezel. Stop saying it's gone. It hasn't gone. There's a reason for it. It's a moving part. This is designed to be an ultra watch, right? For people who are hiking and diving. It's made of titanium. It's got deeper water resistance. So this is designed for more extreme circumstances, and extra moving parts are going to make it more vulnerable. Not vulnerable, but more vulnerable to damage. The more moving parts there are, the easier it is to damage. This is a classic design, so you're not supposed to wear it hiking. You're not supposed to wear it when you go diving. You're not supposed to use it for extreme sports, right? It's a classic, so it has the rotating bezel. Same with the Watch 5 Pro. It was designed for, it had a longer battery life, and it was designed for the great outdoors. It was designed for cycling, and it was designed for hiking because it was the first one to have the backtrack feature. When you go on hiking, you can find your way back to your car or back to where you started from. So they don't add the rotating bezel for devices that are more durable and designed to be more durable and designed to resist more extreme conditions. That makes sense, right? Every Classic I've had and every watch with the rotating bezel, and I've had every generation of Galaxy Watch, there's usually been like a rubber gasket that comes undone. Obviously for water resistance, there's a little rubber seal underneath the rotating bezel. Obviously, rotating bezel sometimes damages it and snaps off. It's still being water resistant, still great. I've not had any issues with it, but it does come undone, and that proves the point. if you were to go hiking with it, if you're going to go through extreme circumstances of it, it's probably going to get damaged, right? So don't get this one if you want to do extreme sports, or you want to go paragliding, or like downhill mountain biking or anything, because it's more likely to be damaged. Even just look, the metal finish, I mean, it's going to get scuffed up, whereas this one has a more plastic finish on these parts, right? And then metal here, and a non-rotating bezel. Do you see my point? Anyway, rant over. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really, really enjoyed the video, please press subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.